Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this special review that I get to share with all of you. So thank you for coming on by and checking out this video. ExtremeSkins, huge shout out to you for giving me the opportunity. Now in this packaging, we have a case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. The back, not completely see-through, it's frosted. What's going to come inside the packaging along with the case is 3 skins. So what ExtremeSkins is doing now is allowing you to take a skin that you choose to buy with the case and put it on the frosted back to give your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL a little extra something. So I'm excited to share this new product line from ExtremeSkins. That's super, super cool. So what we're going to do is read the information on the back, and then I will unbox all the contents and we'll go from there. Less slip, more grip. All of our cases are made with military grade impact protection that come in a black hybrid PC construction with a soft touch finish, which provides extra grip to your phone. Ultra slim, sleek design at only 1 millimeter thin. Our X30 cases are designed with lowered lips for seamless edge-to-edge swiping while still offering face-down impact protection. Super responsive buttons. Our advanced thermoplastic elastomer provides a soft and very tactile response to each button click, just the way it should be. And with that, let's do this. I forgot to mention that you do have magnet for MagSafe with this case, which feels great in my hand and has a lot of grip. The buttons will be covered up. A lot of corner protection for shock absorption. We'll have corner pockets in each corner, soft matte texture on the inside, soft matte texture on the outside, and the magnet for MagSafe. And this is the area where you're going to apply a skin. Now, if you order this specific case, you're going to order 1 skin with the case. I mean, you can order as many as you want, but most likely you're going to order 1 skin, and there are many to choose from. I have the doodle skin here. You got a little cat saying meow. You got the tribal graffiti, and you have the textured matte gray. Again, many to choose from. Just hit the link down below. That will send you on over to the ExtremeSkin website, and you can go shopping for what you desire to give your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL a little extra some. So I'm going to apply the tribal graffiti skin to the back. If you want to leave it as is, you can do that. But yeah, I'm gonna go with the tribal graffiti here. That's nice. And we'll put the other 2 right there. Very simple. Peel the skin away and just start 1 corner there. Be patient, enjoy the process. Just like that. Look at that. That is really, really nice. Tribal graffiti. right. We'll put the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL within the case from ExtremeSkins, the X30 case. You can see the camera island there is going to be well protected, a lot of depth, a lot of lip protecting those cameras. Now I already have a skin from ExtremeSkins on my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, so definitely got a lot of camera protection going on here with that little piece of skin, and now the tribal graffiti skin on the case with the case. Yeah, lots of protection, folks. Lots of grip. Wow, that feels solid. Look at that. Cutout up top for the top mic. Recessed area there for the combo earpiece and speaker. At the bottom, got the bottom cut out there, and you got the USB Type-C charging port cut out there and the speaker cut out. Kind of dips in there and comes back up. I'm telling you, folks, this is really, really nice. Wow. You just have to do your part and hold on with a nice, firm grip. I love what ExtremeSkins is doing here. Yeah, that's really nice. Plenty of lip all the way around. I do have a tempered glass screen protector as well. That gives the display a little extra height, and you can still see that the lip is surrounding and rising above that tempered glass screen protector. So when setting down on a flat surface a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. That camera protection there, that lip depth, no rocking, plenty of protection on a flat surface a little bit rough. Anything rougher than that, use your discretion. But it's going to set it at an angle, so the camera area here isn't going to touch, shouldn't touch any surface, because there's going to be a little bit of that lift in there. But yeah, that right there, definitely going to give those cameras protection they need, so you'll be able to take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. Wow, that is nice. As far as wireless charging, bam, just like that. Magnet for MagSafe. Got my Anchor magnetic wireless charging pad. Let's test out the strength. This is the swing and the shake. Definitely a magnetic attraction going on there.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
And what we want to see is that right there. Bam. Let me get a boom. Boom. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. ExtremeSkins, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share this new journey with your cases and skins combined, just to add a little extra some. Gotta tell you, folks, that is bold right there. That's a thumbs up. Got that gray matte texture there on that one, and there's the doodle skin. Yeah, whatever you choose, man. Should look really, really good. And with that, thank you for watching. God bless you all. Peace.